Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of converting a Dailymotion video into a blog post using an easy and effective method powered by artificial intelligence. For this demonstration, we'll use a tool called Blogify, which simplifies the entire process. To get started, you'll find a link in the description below that will take you to Blogify's website, where you can create a free account and follow along with the tutorial. Let's dive into the steps. Begin by clicking the link provided in the video description to visit Blogify's official website. Once you're on the homepage, look for an option to sign up or start a free trial. This will usually be clearly visible as a button or banner. Click on it to initiate the registration process. You will need to fill in some basic details such as your name and email address to create an account. Alternatively, you might have the option to log in using your Google account for added convenience. After completing the required fields, check your email inbox for a verification message from Blogify. Open the email and click the provided link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Blogify website and log in using your credentials. This will grant you access to your personal dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, you'll need to prepare the Dailymotion video that you want to convert into a blog post. Open Dailymotion in a new browser tab and search for the video you have in mind. Once you've found the video, play it briefly to confirm it's the correct one. Then, copy the video's URL directly from the address bar of your browser. Make sure the link is accurate, as this will be the input for Blogify's AI. Now, switch back to Blogify and look for an option to create a new blog post. This is typically located in your dashboard and should be easy to spot. Click on the option and you'll see a field where you can paste the video link. Paste the URL of the Dailymotion video you copied earlier into this field. After doing so, click the Submit or Convert button to initiate the process. The AI will begin analyzing the video content, extracting key points, and transforming them into text. The duration of this process depends on the length and complexity of the video, so be patient while the tool works. Once Blogify has finished processing the video, it will generate a draft version of your blog post. This draft will include a summary of the video's main points formatted into readable text. Carefully review the draft to ensure that it captures the essential details and accurately reflects the content of the video. If you notice areas that need improvement, you can edit the draft directly within Blogify's built-in text editor. This is also an excellent opportunity to personalize the post by refining the introduction, adding your unique voice, or including any additional context that might enhance the content. In addition to editing the text, Blogify provides formatting tools to help you enhance the visual appeal of your blog post. Use these tools to add headings, bullet points, numbered lists, or images to make the post more engaging for your readers. Take the time to adjust the layout and presentation until you're satisfied with the final result. Once all your edits are complete, save your changes to ensure your work is preserved. When your blog post is ready for publishing, you have several options. You can download the content as a text file or copy it to your clipboard for easy pasting into your blog platform. If Blogify supports direct integration with your blog platform, follow the on-screen instructions to link your account and publish the post directly from Blogify. This feature can save time and streamline the entire process. And that's how you can effortlessly convert a Dailymotion video into a polished and engaging blog post using Blogify. Be sure to click the link in the description below to create your free Blogify account and try this amazing tool for yourself.